To begin, we are having our assistant Jordan take the temperature of the water. Jordan, what is it?
Luke's already been on there.
Yeah, I mean, I made a notebook thing last night.
23.9 degrees Celsius.
Alright, now we have to convert it into kelvins. How do we do that?
You add 273 and it becomes 296.9.
Now Jordan is filling up the pipette full of water
With no air bubbles.
with no air bubbles. Now we will see the volume of it by seeing how many drops there are. 1, 2, 3, oh.
5.
Now Jordan is taking the temperature of a small beaker that has been on the hot plate. What is the temperature?
It's supposed to be 45 degrees. I mean 35 degrees, but it's 34.1
Now she's stirring the pipette in the water
for a minute.
for 1 minute. Alright, now she'll transfer it into this. Submerge it and then place her finger off. Then she'll take it out to see how much water was drawn in. 1, 2, 3.
There are 10 drops drawn in, making the final volume of the pipette 127.
Jordan.
Oh, sorry. The approximate temperature for this one should be 45 degrees, and it's 45.2 degrees.
Now we'll take the pipette and stir it in for a minute. A minute later, she covers the pipette and submerges it in water. And then she takes it out and sees how many drops are in it. Move your hand.
4. So there are 4 drops drawn in, making the final volume of the pipette 121.
Go.
Okay, so the approximate temperature for this one should be 65 degrees Celsius. And right now it is about at 64.6 degrees Celsius.
Alright, now we will stir it for a minute. Okay, cover the top.
Okay, so it's been a minute. So
We'll cover the top and now we'll transfer it and submerge it into water. See how many drops are drawn in. Okay, take it out. And let's see how many were drawn in.
Okay, so 26 drops were drawn in, making the final volume of the pipette 143. The approximate temperature for this one is supposed to be 55 degrees Celsius, and it's 53.8 degrees.
Now we will stir it for a minute. It has been a minute, and now she will cover the top and submerge it into this water. Let's see how many drops were drawn in. She takes it out.
It can be like that. You can do a new
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so 13 drops were drawn in, making the final volume of the pipette 130. The approximate temperature for this is supposed to be 75 degrees Celsius, and it's out 74.2 degrees.
Now we will stir it for 1 minute. It's been a minute, and she's covering the top and submerging it back in the water.
I might have some extra in my closet. They don't have all the now.
Let's see how many drops were drawn in.
Yeah, but I mean, that's you make a group and y'all go ahead and start working. Like it says, you've already started on the title. You know what I mean? Like everybody's gonna. I'm gonna give y'all a few minutes to decide.
So 28 drops were drawn in, making the final volume of the pipette 128.